Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you new update we have added to our Finvasia Scalper, the ability to place orders directly from the chart. You can now set your entry, stop loss and target levels visually on both the index chart as well as the option strike chart. This makes trading much faster and easier without switching between windows. And we will also be extending this feature to the other brokers very soon, so stay tuned. I will also explain the complete installation process at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. So let's start with a very simple trade using this chart trading method. Okay, so first load the option chain and Nifty, selected Nifty and 10 options I'm going to load. Okay, and here under views I will select chart options. Okay, here you can see the chart, and if you want light theme you can just check this light theme. Okay, orders you can go with dark theme. Here I'm going to place order when the price touches this level. Okay, but just right click and buy C, which is strike 24,750. okay, 24,750. one lot I have mentioned lot size here. Okay, when the price touches this line it will trigger an entry, and you can check this on top option to display on top of other. So when you click on this trading view chart, it will still display on the top of this chart. Okay, you can also drag so that it will still place an entry when the price touches this level. Okay, the order is placed. You can see our strike chart here, and you can set our SL in two ways here. Either in this there's a strike chart like set SL at this price and exit at this price, set target at this price. So when the price touches this level it will automatically exit this position, or else we can set the SL on index also, like click the Nifty here and you can set this SL here, right click, set as SL and set target like this. Okay, I'll show you the position details here. Here its order is placed here, and you just click this and view the position detail here. You can see the PNL here, right? It's already okay. This is our position, right? Yeah. Okay, here I move my SL to the cost. Okay, okay, the position got exited. You can see my position is exited here. Okay, next I will show you the installation process. So go to the website mdotkcodez.com, do the sign up first. After sign up, okay, I logged in, and you subscribe any plan, basic, silver or gold, and after that click downloads under Finvasia version 8, and here you type your client ID. Okay, and download. Here you should enter the API details. Open prism.shoonya.com. okay, give your client ID here and click login with OTP and login. Okay, after login, under profile you see the API key, click that one, and here you copy the API key, edit API key, and here you just enter your password. Enter your, here's the password you used to sign into my website. Okay, in this website what password you used here, you just type that one. Here is your client ID. Okay, and here email ID, my email ID used. Okay, and TOTP QR code is the code under profile security TOTP. Here is the QR code, just copy this one and paste here. Okay, So we have entered all the details. Click insert all. Okay, that's it. Click login. Okay. Sometimes it will show the complex option, so just under views, just symbol view, just click symbol view. Okay, or strategy view is enough. Okay, strategy or symbol view is enough. And under view charts, you can see the chart also. Okay, I hope you all understand this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join our Telegram group to get more information about this scalper. Thank you for watching.